Hello, hi, welcome. So, very good day to my lecturer, Puan Shuhada, and my fellow friends. And today I'm going to do the PBT2 malware analysis. Before I'm just going to elaborate on the task, I would like to introduce my teammates that would be Darwin Dhanraj, Jason Raj, Harish Krishna Reddy, and myself, Kishan. So, basically the task was given to us by a computer forensic investigator in Cytex company. They investigated on the data uh, could be taken from the computer hard disk or any storage device with adherence to standard policy. So basically, they have found a network .pcap. This file is they have suspected once they have run and just a check. So they are suspecting the network PCAP file is an malware. So so because of that, me and my team are going to be going through an basic or static analysis applications for us to find out if there is anything. So before that, I'll just go into the what to say. Really sorry. I would like to go into the VMware because we need to check that to make sure we are not harming our own PC. So let's go into VMware, and I will be using network miner. So let's open it and run it. So as you all can see, this is the network miner interface, and the file that was given is I already downloaded. This is the one, network PCAP. So I'll place it in, and you all can see there are few hosts. Okay, so so let's go through. Okay, let me just expand all of it, and mainly let's in this host, this has given us that basic the IP address, MAC address, and NIC vendor, and all those things, and outgoing sessions for few of it if they have the server and all kind of what are the OS they have been using, the host details, and all those things. So from here there are a few, but the one that we have is sessions and DNS and host only. So let's go to session. So as you all can see, there is a start time as that's on 2005 January 14th. The time is 1:50. Okay, so as you all can see, the C port, server host, and client host, and all those kind of things. Okay, so from here we can know this is the basic ones, and let's go into DNS. So DNS, we need to also get that MAC address and all those things. And before that, I would like to also show we have investigated and we want to check on the 192.168.1.2, and the MAC address of this would be 008048243332, and this DNS server is also here, and the DNS protocol and the DNS server is also shown here for the both. And what is the answer, DNS answer that we got? So, and as you all can see, we can also see the date and time of the malware activity, and it shows us the MAC address and DNS server host, and it displays the port that has been used. Sorry. So as you all can see, 192.168.1.3 is 1394. 1395, and 192.168.1.1 is 53 and 53. So these are the basic informations that we can get, the C pod or any kind of thing, and from the host sessions and DNS. And we have used a few other analysis applications. So I would like to pass it to my friends for them to just go through with the same way and explain more on it. So yeah, let's check it out.
My name is Harish Krishna Reddy, Ananaki Jai Prakash. My matrix number 01DT19F2070. Today I'll be carrying out PBT2 problem-based task, perform malware analysis using sample. So the tool that I've been chosen to conduct this problem-based task PBT is Wireshark. So come, I will now show you about the installation of Wireshark. So first go to Google and search for Wireshark, download and download it. So after download, press on the downloaded file. So it asks, do you want to allow this app to make changes? Click on yes. Then welcome to Wireshark, and so press next. So if you want to read the agreement. Then if you don't want to, press noted. Then choose the components you want. Choose everything. I'll choose everything. Then press next. Wireshark start menu, desktop icon, your whatever you want shortcuts, additional task, you can press next. Choose where do you want your Wireshark to be saved as. Okay, next. Then install. Yep. Then if you want to add another USB capture, you want to install it. So now it will be installed. So it may take a bit of time. Okay, so after finishing, they will come like this, license agreement, so press on agree, install. So it's installing. And in the sideways there, Wireshark is also installing. This is an npcap installing, so on this side malware is installing. So after completing the installation, click on next, then press finish. So now you want to open your Wireshark and conduct the malware analysis. So go for your search bar and search taskbar and search for Wireshark. So the application, press on open. So now this is the interface of the Wireshark. So now choose your network that you would like to use. So I'm choosing Wi-Fi. So first let it run and capture. So now what we do is we stop it. Then we click on this file icon and enter the malware file which was given by our lecturer. So search for it. Okay. So click on continue without saving. So it has been capturing. So now let's find for the file. So I'm taking the protocol which is TCP, which has I'm taking the layer number frame number 41. Okay. So I've took frame number 41, and so come, let's see what is inside frame number 41. So basically in the problem-based task, the question I've asked about display the date and time of the malware activity, MAC address and DNS server host, and display port has been opened at server host 1992.168 and 1.2. So let's go to our back. So let's see for the first one. Okay. So arrival time January 14, 2001. 2000, sorry, my bad. January 14, 2005 at 9:51 4 seconds. Malay Peninsula Standard Time. Okay. Epoch time is 1105670977 seconds. So frame number 41. Okay. Next is we are going to look at the MAC address. So destination, initial, the MAC, this is the MAC address. Okay, then the source IP address is 192.168.1.2 and the destination IP address is 192.168.1.3. So now let's look at the source of port. So the port is 21. The source port is 21. And destination port is 1399. So due to heavy traffic, we have choose port number a frame number 41. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Hey there. So I have downloaded the file first of all. So the file is network PCP, and I have found that PCP file cannot be executed on all the tools, and we have to be specific on which tool. So I have decided my tool based on it, and there are two types of malware analysis, static and dynamic. So I have decided to go with both of it to see is the result I'm getting is accurate or not. Okay, so first of all, let me jump onto PCAP analyzer. Wait a minute, I have stored it. Okay, okay. Let me jump on to PCAP analyzer. Okay, now let me go. Packet Total is the useful tool I have seen for the analyzing PCAP, one of it. And let me upload my file first of all. Yeah, I'm not a robot, so I have to do click on it and analyze. Let's wait for it. So it clearly states that this file has been captured on Friday, January 14, 2005, 9:50 and 16 seconds. It's so accurate, and it's it did when like January 14, 2005, 9:51 delayed, and the sender IP is 19 192.168.1.3 IP address, and the sender port is 1393, and the target IP is 192.168.1.1, and the target port is 53. The transport protocol is UDP, the service is DNS, and the duration, it clearly states that it's 0.02, but it lasted for 0.02 seconds because it proceeds to the next packet as well. As you can see, the payload byte sent is 42 and the total byte sent is 70, and payload bytes received is 70 as well. Okay, as you can see, we also seen the changes at you can see the target IP address changes to 192.168.1.2. The target port is still 53, and TCP, the transport protocol, and so on. And after it, you can see it changes, the target port changes to 21 right here, and the sender port changes according as well, as you can see. And yeah, this the thing, and I clearly can see that display the date and time. I have clearly state that, and the MAC address cannot be seen here, and the IP address can be seen here. The port I have clearly state here. And now let's jump into the new tool for the dynamic analysis. I have found that CAPSA. Okay, CAPSA. Let me type CAPSA download. CAPSA download. So it is a closed source tool by Colasoft, but they provide the trial of 30 days, but you have to key in your information accordingly. So I have key in mine and I have select Polytechnic Ungku Oma. Just click on download now. You will receive an email with an activation code. So I have received the email. So due to shorten the time process, I have skipped the process and I have the file exe file that I have to do for setting the software. So let me run through it. So click next and agree on the agreement out upon reading it. And you can click next and select the destination you want to save the files on. And yeah, I have downloaded before this and I have installed it to show you the process of installation again. So yeah, so there are three types of installation: full install, compact install, custom install. I want full install, and you can also click which one do you want to install. So I going to go with full install next. And yeah, select if you want to defer the folder and so on. I'm gonna place it on the same. And yeah, you have to select your choices: desktop icon or quick start icon you want to create or not. And install. Wait for extracting its files right here. Okay, it's extracting. It needs some time to execute. And it finished installing, but we have to wait for it. Okay, when you are ready to continue with setup, click next. Yeah, I'm ready and you are as well. So let's click next and launch the program. So let me click finish and launch the program. So the privacy statement. So I gonna skip on this and click next. And serial number. This is the activation code that you would receive in your email. I have received it, so that I'm gonna key in this activation code. I'm just gonna copy and paste so that it can reduce some time. Activate online, activate with license file. If you are purchasing license file and so on, you will get receive on it, and you could change the preference as you want to. So activity, the software has been successfully activated. Okay, let's jump on to our analysis. So you also compare the additions. For now, I'm gonna cancel it. Okay, right now the application has been launched, and we have to click on or on a local network adapter accordingly. And although I'm using the captured file, I gonna choose on it and click start. And right now you have to stop the live capture and click on the tools. We are importing a file so that you don't have to do on a live capture and so on. So I'm gonna analyze the file given by my lecturer. So select packet builder, import. I'm gonna select my file, and yeah, it also has been opened. Let me see. Okay, the sender IP address is 192.168.13. Okay, the target hardware address is right here, and the target IP address 192.168.1.1, which is similarly to static analysis, as you can see. And yeah, there are total of 131 files. Okay, in this app itself, it's easy because you can see the protocol. Not only that, we also have the summary right here. So it's more convenient for those who are beginner in this analysis and so on. Okay. You also are able to see the internet protocol version and its header length, and checksum protocol time to live, fragment offset, um, how the delta time did last. Just as I said, you also have been seen in static analysis. So it also clearly states that how long did it last. But in this app, we didn't find that when did the file capture did occur. So that's something different we could get from the static analysis at packet total. And Yeah, we also able to see the source port 1393 and destination port 53 and the length 50 and checksum as well. And let's jump on to 18. So 18 file is the question have been asked by my lecturer. Okay, display the MAC address of the DNS server host. And other than that, display the port has been opened at server host 192.168.1.2. Okay, let's see. This is the first thing. Before this, it was no changes. It was basically on 1.1. So right now it's 18. So let's see. Okay, the source address. So 192.168.1.3 and the destination address is 192.168.1.2 and the source port for the source address was 1396 and the destination port is 53. So I claim that it's 53 for the destination address and it is the port for the destination as well. So yeah, it follows by right now the destination address has been changed into source address because it's basically like WhatsApp conversation, one sends and once would reply and so on. So it keep on changing for source and destination. So right now it's also states at 53. So I claim that it's 53. So as well. And you can see let's go. So these are the MAC address. So MAC address 000E 35780C02 and 0090D0 EB46E7. And there are several files as you can see. As you can see, it changes and so on. So there are network protocol and you also able to see hex editor together with it's right here. You can able to highlight it and see how many bits are you have highlighted and so on as well. And yeah, upon comparing this file, wait, let me minimize this and this file with static analysis. This it's similar. If you have seen the result beforehand, it's similar. Let me go to, let me just say that 18 file. So so 53, as you can see here, right here 53. Okay, let's go skip down and see the port, other ports, right? So right here, you can see that source port has been changed to 21, similar to the static analysis. And you can see the destination address has been changed to 192.168.1.3 as well, as you can see. So in this CAPTCHA file, it's more like more details, but it's lacking when does it capture happened. It's not particular on the date, but it does states how long each packet did last for and its size and so on. But we're able to see the checksum, protocol, fragment offset, identification, total length, and other extra stuff we have to consider when we are doing malware analysis. So I consider that dynamic analysis with CAPTCHA is more detailed and is also best choice right there out there. So I hope that it has benefited for you and thanks for this opportunity to Madam Shuhara. That's all.
Thank you. Hi there. My name is Jason Raj. Now, in this video, I will continue with a different tool for malware analysis. I have decided to do a dynamic analysis for the particular problem. So, we are going to use a particular file, that is the network PCAP file, for the analysis process. Not all the tool can be used to analyze the PCAP file. So I have decided to use a Microsoft Network Monitor as a tool in this dynamic process. Before I start the analysis process, I would like to tell what is Microsoft Network Monitor. In short, it is a protocol analyzer. It enables you to capture, view, and analyze network data. You can use it to help troubleshoot problems with applications on the network. Without further delay, let's start the analysis process using Microsoft Network Monitor. So, I already downloaded Microsoft Network Monitor for Windows from this website. As you can see, I've downloaded the Microsoft Network Monitor exe file. So for this video, in this video, I am going to use the virtual machine. Everything I've been doing, all the process will be done using the virtual machine, VMware Windows 7. So, okay, now I already downloaded the application. Let's run the application. So it's preparing to install. Click next. Okay, I accept the terms of legal agreement. Next. Next. Okay, click complete and install. So the process might take longer, so you have to wait. Click finish. Then it will start with a second patch. So the process taking it might take us several minutes, so we have to wait. Okay, now the application have completely set up and it have created a shortcut for the application. Let's click on it. Okay, as you can see, this is the interface, the main interface of Microsoft Network Monitor 3.4. So now we are going to capture the file, the particular network PCAP file. So as you can see, create new capture, tab, open capture file. So click on open capture file. Okay, then choose on the file. So network PCAP file. Click open. So once we once we put the file into the Microsoft Network Monitor, it will start to process and it has done the analyzing process. As you can see, the frame summary, we can see all the captions for this particular file. So okay, now we check out the questions that we have to answer. Display the date and time of malware activity. So as you can see, the start time for this particular file and file is at 9:50 on Jan 14, 2005, and it have been 131 total captures, and the stop time is 9:51 a.m. on Jan 14. So it have took around 1 minute for the total captures. Then display the MAC address for the DNS server host. So we have to find the protocol name DNS, and we have to find the MAC address. So as you can see, DNS protocol name, and click on the external type. We can see the destiny address, source address. So this is the MAC address for the DNS server host, and this is the destiny address. Then display the port that have been opened at server host 192.168.1.2. So we have to find the destiny. Okay. As you can see, the destiny is a lot and different protocol names. So you have to be click one by one, and we have to find on the particular server host. So as you can see here, the source is 192.168.13 and destiny is 192.168.1.2, and the protocol name is TCP. As you can see on the frame details, we can find the source port 1396 and the destiny port 53. So the destiny port is 53. Okay, let's see, is there any other ports that been captured? So okay, it shows 9753 again. 53, 53. Okay, okay. So on the top, it shows 53 server port, but as we going down, we can see that the destiny are still same 192.168.1.12 and the protocol name TCP, but the, the, the source port have changed to 1399 and the destiny port have changed to 21 as going down. So all shows 21. So this is the answers for the particular questions. So not only that, we can actually get many information from this analysis process. On our left side, the network configuration, we can get a lot the traffic, particular DNS, UDP, TCP, and a lot. So this is the complete analysis process of the network using the network monitor for the network PCAP file. That's all from me for this video for the dynamic analysis using the network PCAP file using Microsoft Network Monitor. That's all. Thank you.